Hello and welcome back. We will take the hairs from both the sides and make the plaits. Take the hairs from the sides one by one carefully and join it as we are joining. Clutch it and it's ready. Next, we will take the hairs from the top and then we will make the plaits by taking the hairs from the sides slowly. Take few hairs one by one to make the plaits. We have to make the plaits till the end. After we are reached in the between, we will take all the hairs and make the plaits. Watch it carefully and enjoy it. I know this is little bit of time taking, but it will look very beautiful at the end. This hairstyle is best suited for medium to long hairs and you can follow this hairstyle at your workplace. It will look very good and it's ready. Next, we will take the hairs from both the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Follow the same step for few more times. Then we will pull out the hairs from the sides little bit and it's ready. Next, we will make a beautiful hairstyle. So for this, you have to take few parts of the hairs from the right side and then collect it. Take few parts to make that linings in the hairs. At the end, we will tie all the hairs, divide it into two parts and roll it. Pull out the hairs from the sides and then roll it upside to make a bun and it's ready. Thanks for watching. Bye.